Hey everyone, this is Ahsan Ali from Draco Automation. Today I'm going to show you a very important and most powerful feature in the Podio, the integration with ChatGPT to generate like a text lead generation. So like it's all autopilot like a system. So you just need to import a list, and then system automatically add a drip campaign, or you can send a bulk campaign using your like a manual process. But there's an autopilot system also that you can import your list in the Podio, and Podio has already a system behind it, and it automatically add a drip campaigns on the leads, and they start sending the text to the seller. And when they send text to the seller, and then seller reply back, then ChatGPT take over the Podio leads, and it respond to the leads with their extensive and the most brilliant knowledge, and they will qualify lead for you. So you don't need to come back and reply back every time. So it automatically send out the most appropriate reply to the seller on the like a real time scenario. Like whenever the reply get from the seller, it in a within a seconds ChatGPT send a reply. So you don't need a texter to hire to texter to generate. So ChatGPT can generate lead for you on an autopilot system. So you just need to import your list, and it automatically take over the leads, take over the leads from ChatGPT, and it automatically generate the leads. So let me show you a test. For example, that's a test lead, James Bond, and let me first send a text to this lead. So there's my number. So let me say it's SMS. Hey James, do you want to sell your property? Okay. So for example, this is our first message from the bulk campaign or from the drip campaigns. So okay, so the SMS has been sent out. So let me check my number. So I replied yes. So you see it's automatically get yes. So now let's wait few seconds, and ChatGPT will automatically generate a appropriate answer. You see over there. So ChatGPT replied, "That's great, James. I'm curious to know if you don't mind me asking why you are selling the property. Any specific reasons or plans?" So that's like a most important thing. So it automatically generate appropriate answer according to you. Like we have to generate, train the ChatGPT how he has to answer to the seller. You just need to like set up just one time. You have to just train him just one time, and then automatically he take over all the leads on the real time and generate leads for you. So for example, let me reply again. Okay, so any specific reason? So let's see, I say, yeah, just need cash. Okay, so I said just need cash, and let's see what our chat gpt respond back to me. Okay, just wait a few seconds. Okay, again, understood, James. Thank you for sharing. How would you describe the overall condition of the property? So it's asking all the questions that you want to ask by the seller on the real time scenario. You don't need to come back in the average leads. If for example, a campaign has been sent out, so you send 1,000 batch, and from 1,100 leads, send a reply back. ChatGPT send out these 100 replies within a second to like within a minute. It send reply to all 100. you know it's more fast, more effective, and most trainable system if you integrate ChatGPT with Podio. So when he, for example, I'm not going to make this video little long. So let me reply again, just one more reply. Okay, so for the condition of the property, recent or measure. So let's say all good condition. So when he asks all the question, it automatically can create a appointment for you, or it automatically create you know uh, send out the contract to the seller, or if send it to you the call. Okay, so it send again a reply. Great to hear that, James. Just to clarify, are you open to negotiation on the pricing of the property? Also, would you consider seller financing? If so, so this is the question that we have added in the systems to train the chat gpt. You have to ask all these questions. So if I reply stop or whatever, the like a negative reply to the system, the chat gpt nicely reply back to the seller and terminate the process. Otherwise it automatically sending the follow-up campaigns. For example, if I did not reply to this question, tomorrow ChatGPT automatically follow up to them to me to ask like, hey, we have a conversation, you did not reply back to me. So this type of follow-ups he can also do the follow-ups until he qualify the lead or he my mark is trash. Okay, so that's a very powerful features you should have if you want to generate text lead generation without like hiring and a texter. Or you just need to import a list, but you can import your list by on in the Podio, and then Podio automatically start sending drip campaigns on the leads. And then if they reply back, the chat gpt can take over all the scenario and generate lead for you. So if you have any question, give me a comment. Okay, so I will reply back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.